Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. And what is different now? If I look to my right, nothing. If I look in front of me, or behind me, nothing. To the left of me, there's Christmas update. And it's night time. But the Christmas update is now finally out. Well, it's been out for a couple of days, but I annoyingly haven't been able to play it. But I can finally play it now. And there's also secrets in the update as well, like in this Christmas tree. There is field dice, 5 moon charms, and also 5 gumdrops, I think. Yep, 5 gumdrops. So, firstly, the big beesmas tree. So there's like, you decorate the beesmas tree where from black bear, mother bear, brown bear, panda bear, science bear, polar bear, onnet, spirit bear, gifted Riley, gifted bucko, stick bug, and question mark. Because that's coming up tomorrow, which will be, also, there's Bee Bear over here. He's not in his usual spot where, like, all of the guys have usually been. But, it will be, December 25th, Christmas, tomorrow for them, but for now, where I live, it is Christmas time, 4:30. Okay, so let's talk to Bee Bear, finally. Talk to Bee Bear. Hello. Ho, 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 ho. Ho. It's beginning to look a lot like a beesmas. That's right, it's the most wonderful time of the year. And I'm back. Can you believe it's been a whole year since we first met? Yeah. It's my duty each winter to flood the world with festive honey day cheer. It's a huge responsibility and a lot of work, but thankfully I don't work alone. My festive bees do most of strenuous stuff, oh yes, but even they're not able to keep up with the global demand for beesmas festivity. That's why this year I've brought along some extra special little helpers. The Cubbies. These affordable... Oh, why'd I thought it said affordable. These adorable... These adorable cubs are actually stuffed toys brought to life by pure beesmas magic. And I've brought them here to help make this year's beesmas truly special. If you work to spread beesmas cheer, you may be able to bring a cub buddy of your own to life. Behind you I've set up a beesmas tree, but it's not complete yet. Oh no, it needs ornaments. Work with the bears around the map to make ornaments to decorate the tree. Once you've put enough ornaments on the tree, you'll be able to open presents. I've hidden presents just for you all over the mountain, but they can only be opened through the power of a well-dressed beesmas tree. Those presents are worth it though. Ho, ho, ho. I've put a festive bee egg in one of them. Can you guess which? Yep, the one right here, number 8. And there's even the possibility of a mythic egg in one of the more difficult presents, number 9. Mythic eggs always hatch into mythic bees, the newest, rarest, and most ostentatious bee yet. I won't spoil all the surprises, but here's something you can know for sure. If you help decorate the beesmas tree and complete 10 of my quests, I'll help you bring to life a black bear cub buddy of your own. That little munchkin will help keep the wonder of beesmas alive in your heart all year long. It will also help you collect tokens and even occasionally give you gifts. But we need to make haste. Beesmas Day is approaching fast. To begin, here's what I need you to do. 1,000 red pollen and 1 ornament on the beesmas tree. Beautify the beesmas tree. Wait. It said 1,000, now you're doing 2,000? Okay. Okay, but yeah. So, 2,000 red pollen. Very close to being done. It's a smaller field, so it's kind of hard to do it. But boom, done. And also 1 ornament on the beesmas tree, which means we have to talk to everyone here. So let's go and talk to everyone. No, festive gifts from Mummy Squirrel. Put them up there. Let's go and talk to Black Bear first. Black Bear. Oh, Black Bear. Hello. The whole mountain is covered in snow. It's winter, not the best season for flowers or bees, but the perfect opportunity to decorate a beesmas tree. Each ornament puts you on the tree. You put on the tree will grant boosts that last all winter, and each beer will help you make one. I've got an idea for the best ornament ever, but I need your help to make it. 500 pollen for white flowers, 200 from the mushroom field, and collect 10 honey tokens. Da da da. And it gives a cool noise every single time. They're all red instead of just the normal white. Is that what? Yeah, it's just normal white, but now it's red for Christmas. And even Stickbug is celebrating. Oh, I hear frogs somewhere. I think they might be up there. Let's also talk to Mother Bear while we're here. During the holidays, nothing brings us closer together than decorating the beesmas tree. Family traditions like that build lifelong memories we cherish together. Here on the mountain, we're all a family. The bears, beekeepers, the bees, and bees. And I've got an idea for an ornament that will perfectly reflect that. To make it, here's what we need to do. Collect 5,000 pollen from red flowers, 10 treats to your bees, and 10 tokens from leaves. To do that, keep an eye out on the flowers. Sometimes you'll see leaves popping out. Collect from where the leaves are, coming to find a hidden item. Da, 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 da. It says negative. Collect 5,000 red pollen. Negative one. Okay, now it's back. It was like negative 173 or something. And so need to get that token for Black Bear. Also, there's two main packs that I want to get, and then there's also the 3 other ones that I don't really want to get, or like I probably won't get them. But first of all, the Mythic pack. Introducing the Mythic Bees, Tadpole, Vector, and Spicy Bee. Each possesses powerful and unique ability. Pack contains 1 mythic egg, 2 50 tickets, and 25 red and blue extracts. Contains 1 mythic egg which always hatches into a random mythic bee. Offer ends February 9th. So I'm going to buy that one. And I'm also going to buy the Cub Buddy pack. Which Cub Buddy follows you collecting the tokens and occasionally granting random gifts. Collect skins to customize your Cub Buddy. Oh, Speaklogan gave me gifts. Pack contains 1 Cub Buddy, 250 tickets, a Noob Cub skin, limited edition. And Cub Buddy is obtainable in-game for free, but Noob Cub skin is a limited Robux item. Exclusive. Offer ends February 9th. And then there's also these 3, which is Diamond Egg, 100 tickets, 10 Boxer Frogs, 500 Gumdrops, yeah, all that. Star Egg, Glitters, Night Bells, Atomic Treats, Bitterberries, and Glue Enzymes, Neon Berries. Yeah. So, now if we talk to Black Bear. Oh yes, this ornament is going to turn out great. Just give me a second. Snip, snip, snip. Glue, glue, glue. All done. Honey jar ornament. This is a replica of the most exquisite honey brand I've ever tried. With this on the beesmas tree, you'll receive the following boosts. Plus 10% capacity. Plus 5% honey per pollen. and times 1.25 pollen from the sunflower field. Those boosts will last for the entire winter event. Keep making ornaments to get more boosts. Oh, and once you've made enough of them, you may be able to open gift boxes you find around the map. Good luck and happy beesmas. So if you look up in my pollen, that's how much I've got. And then the honey jar. Oh, it went up heaps. Look, that's adorable. That actually went up heaps. Wow. So I'm gonna get heaps. No, why you do that? What is there? Better not be amazing stuff because I won't be able to get it. Okay, it's not that good. Stick bug, you are the next closest, so I'm just gonna get you. Talk to stick bug, obviously. Hey there, flesh bug. Feeling festive? I can get down with that. Beesmas doesn't mean much to me, but it brings a jolly energy to the mountain that I can certainly vibe with. Why, oh, I just remembered something. Once we finish talking to this guy, he starts a stick bug challenge, which I don't really want to do at the moment. Been watching you all put ornaments up on that tree. Gave me an idea from an ornament of my own. I'll tell you more about it later. Stick bug ornament. And there's a stick bug down there. Don't really want to do this. Sorry. Just wanted to get his quest. I don't want to do the challenge at all. Oh my god, that's a horrible quest, isn't it? Yep. Horrible quest. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Oh, also, beautify the beesmas tree. I'm going to be doing that. Go down here. I can't even I can't even finish this because, like, do you really think I'm going to defeat a coconut crab? I don't think so. I really don't think so. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Bee bear. It's beginning to look a lot like beesmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the beesmas tree. Then turn around and look at... I don't even know this tune, but turn around and look at me. That's how you know that it's beesmas and bee swarm. Ho ho ho, 9 more questions to go until you receive a cub buddy. And before you ask if you purchased the cub buddy pack already, I'll give you 250 tickets in its place. You can't have 2 cub buddies equipped at once. Ho ho. Okay, so I got not 2 good things, but I guess it's okay. Better than nothing. Ho ho ho, we're getting jolly already. But something's just not right. Listen here. There are Scrooges out there actively working to disrupt our festive season. Naughty beetles and spiders want to destroy our tree and ruin the mood. It's a war on beesmas. We have to fight back. Get ready to jingle some sleigh bells, because it's time for a good old-fashioned beesmas beatdown. Collect 10,000 white pollen, 4 rhino beetles, and 2 spiders. Sleigh bells jingling. So I'll quickly just do the spider right now. And then I'll also work on quests like Panda, Science, Brown, Polar, Spirit, and Onnet. And also Bucko. Why is this so laggy at the moment? Okay, it's not lagging as much anymore. Oh, I got a stinger from the spider. That's nice. One stinger from the spider. So, I'll go and collect, I guess, panda bears, since he's literally right here. Talk to Panda Bear. Decorating the beesmas tree. While our mountain is under attack, the rhino beetles don't break for beesmas, and neither do we. Well, I guess we can do both at the same time. I'll start making the ornament while you complete this. 100,000 for bamboo, 25 tokens for my readers, 25 tokens for my ladybug, and claim the first battle badge, which I've already done. 100 battle points, easy. Defeating enemies. After you got 100, open it and press the thing. If you want to deck the halls, first you got to deck those bugs. Earn 1 battle badge. Done already. So, if I go down here, and I've already got it. Right? No, nearly. The bamboo part. No, how did I, wait. Stick bugs here. I did not even realise stick bugs here. How did I not notice that? So I've got 1 ornament on the tree so far. I'll also talk to Brown Bear. Hoping to at least get 5 today so I can open the one up there, number 5. I'd love to open number 9. But unfortunately I cannot. Because it would just be way too hard to do that. Brown Bear, hello. Good job. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay, now. Ho ho ho, Merry Beesmas bud. Can you believe another year has gone by already? They seem to be getting faster and faster. But the year's not complete until the beesmas tree's decorated. I've got a royal idea for an ornament. I'll start working on it while you finish these tasks. That, and that. Oh, wait, what? Oh, and I also have to get Brown Bear's normal quest, which is Rosefield, which I'm not doing right now, because it's beesmas time. Of course, every single field I go into, stick bugs here. And I'm dead already. I'll go do panda bears, I guess. So that would be bamboo field. So let's go to bamboo. Beesmas time. And done. Now, ladybugs and rhino beetles. There's ladybugs this way. This way. This way is the rhino beetles. Why does it have to be so laggy though? Don't want it to be laggy. And hello ladybugs, it's not time for fighting. It's time for happiness and joy. Okay, let's go with this and Oh, I want that, I want that, I want that, I want that, I want that. Yeah. So, panda bears ornament. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, time's up for stick bug, and I got 1 royal jelly and 25 sunflower seeds, which is hardly nothing. So yeah. No, why? No. Okay. Right, why am I even going here? What? Why am I going here? By the way, another new area for the beesmas time is in here. There is a present down here, and there's also something behind the present. I can't remember what though. I think it's just something normal like some gumdrops or something like that. Wah, no! That wasn't fair. I want to see what was behind it. I can't remember. I feel like it's gumdrops though. Some good old gumdrops. Also, I remember there also was something else over at the beesmas tree. I'm gonna go back there soon. Come on. First, we must do this. Do this. Quickly. Quickly, quickly, quickly. And let's go. Come on, I can do this. I can easily do this. Last jump. Yeah, is it gumdrops? Is it gumdrops? Is it gumdrops? Yeah, it's gumdrops. 15 gumdrops. And now I just leave this place. No, why mummy squirrel? Let's just throw in a honey storm for no reason. Okay, so are you ready now? Are you? Are you? Are you? Yes, you are. Die. Oh no, why am I jumping? No, why are you here now? Guess I'll get a hit off. So I can at least get something for later. Okay. So I can also go and get spirit. No, not spirit. Science beer. It's a quest. Soon. Wait, so how much do I have to do for? No, why am I so far down? What? Here. No. Here. Panda bear's ornament. I have to do that. Oh, and brown bear's ornament nearly done. Come on. Get here, get here. No. No. Why are you trying to kill me? Also, there's another secret area over there, and it has 2 different things. Might go there soon. This hurts. Okay, it's off now. Finally. Dun, dun, dun. Wait. Oh, no. Okay. So. Oh, I was just in Pineapple Patch. Good it didn't spawn a couple seconds earlier. How is my score 400? Should I just try and do this? I guess I should, but sort of don't really want to. I guess I will. Well, I'll do it. For Sticky Bug. I'll do it just for you, Stick Bug. No, I died already. So also tomorrow I am gonna get those packs, I think, or I already said that, yeah. But I'm gonna get those packs tomorrow. I don't know if tomorrow will be next episode or if tomorrow will be another episode. But yeah. I need to go to Cloverfield. Cloverfield. Am I close to Clover? Yes, I'm in Clover. It's just so high up, couldn't see. Wait, how am I dead? How am I dead? What? How did I die? How did I die? I need to get my stuff. Panda Bear's ornament. No. Come on, let's go. It's not going to be there, is it? Haha, yay, it was not. So I need some ladybug tokens and also some rhino beetle tokens. Die, ladybugs. Die. Oh, I want to use this. Oh, I got a field dice. Haha, yes. Now, rhino beetle. Last thing. Where's the closest rhino beetle? It's right there, but can't get that. So, oh, I can get the one down here. I haven't done that one yet. Haven't done this one. Hello, rhino beetle. Oh, micro converters. Thank you. Now I got 8. I'll go and do brown bear ones. Brown bear's one first. So it's going to be in the order of black bear, brown bear, panda bear, something else. But now that I've done these 2, I can open the first present, which is good. That was fast. Let me finish up. Snip, snip, snip. Glue, glue, glue. Oh, it didn't quite turn out as I expected, but it'll work. It's a royal jelly ornament. It represents the thousands of royal jellies I give out every day. See, I even drew my face on it. With this on the beesmas tree, you'll receive the following boosts. Plus 10% capacity, times 1.15 from bomb bee abilities, and times 1.25 pollen from the Cloverfield. Don't forget to keep an eye out for gift boxes hidden around the map. Once you've put enough ornaments on the tree, they're yours to open. Good luck and happy honey days. And then there's the adorable second royal jelly ornament. Look at it. Adorable. Okay, so now I go over to the panda. Panda, 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 panda. How much have I done for this? 42,751. 3 royal jellies and 30 sunflower seeds. Okay. Okay, let me finish this ornament up. Snip, snip, snip. So. Here it is, the boxing glove ornament. For Boxing Day. It represents the brutal side of beesmas. That's right, it's not all holly jolly. With this on the beesmas tree, you'll receive the following... Oh, also, my pollen capacity is way bigger again. You'll receive the following boosts. Plus 10% capacity, plus 3% critical chance, and times 1.25 pollen from the bamboo field. Yeah, happy holidays. And again, done, finished. Pow! And it's got his face on it, like all the other ones. So now we're gonna probably do some more. I'll go and get polar bears and also science bears. See what they want me to do. So what ones have I got right now? Oh yeah, I've got stick bug. Bee bears, which I can't do at the moment. Oh, another bear I haven't done yet. Need to watch out for it if there's any pesky So, let's go to polar bear, polar bear, polar bear. It's Christmas time and your cousin is here. Polar bear, polar bear. It's Christmas time and your cousin is here. Let's go polar bear. My cousin Beebeard outdoes himself each Beesmas. He may be a little loony, that's no denying that he's smart. I mean, he says the cub buddies are animated by the magic of Beesmas, but in reality, Beebeard has to build and program them himself. To be honest, I'm jealous. He's a bear of many talents. He can sing, act, and even make robots. My talents are limited to the kitchen. At least I'm great in there. Here's what you'll need to do for my ornament. 300,000 pumpkin pollen. 150,000 from blue flower field. 25 tree tokens. And 3 vicious bees. Following fields: clover, spider, cactus, rose, mountain top, and pepper. They usually spawn at night. Keep an eye out for those stingers sticking out of the flowers. Well, let's go to here then. Go. There. Polar bear, polar bear. It's Christmas time and your cousin is here. And wait, 500. Yeah, but then these have all changed. He's a lot. Polar bear, and I think what other bear lied to us? Because look, it says 200,000 when earlier it said 150,000, and then I feel like it said 300,000 when it's really saying 500,000. So we're having to do more work than they're telling us to. And done that part. So I'll try and do, what other ones can I do? Well, okay, let's just go down to the first, aka third, but like is you need 3 of them to do it, but it's the first gift. Down next to Black Bear. I think you might have seen it earlier, probably. Maybe you didn't, and I have no idea why. It's very easy to spot. but it is right down here next to black bear. Just tucked away right here. Open the colourful present. And I get 5 royal jellies, a red extract, a blue extract, and 4 jelly beans from the colourful present. Brilliant. Amazing. So, I think this video might be getting a little bit... Oh, pumpkin. Nope, it's not getting long at all. We're going to Windy Bee. But I'll probably end the video after Windy Bee. And I'll just quickly be like off camera working on the quests. And then when I've completed them, I'll record again. Okay guys, I'm back. That was annoying. I got kicked from the server and my recording stopped. But we are going back to beesmas. Wait, I'm going to be on a different server. Really? So now I'm not going to get Windy Bee. Yay. Fantastic, eh? That is annoying. I can see someone with a vector bee, and I can see someone with a tadpole bee. Claim my normal hive. I got 7 million storage space. Wow. So I'm gonna go over to the beesmas tree and get the last thing that's in the beesmas tree. And then I will end this video for now. If we just fall here. You found 10 bitter berries in the tree. They're literally just right here. See? 10 bitter berries. So now we got that. So we're going to end right next to... Should we end next to the beesmas tree? Or bee bear? I think the beesmas tree. Wait. I'll stand like in the middle of these two. Can I stand on these? Wait. I want to try and stand on the orange thing. Guess not. Ah. Run this way. Can you see me a little bit? No, you can't see me at all. I want you to see me. Jump. No, okay. So we're going to end here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button as hard as you can. I'll see you guys in another video. Pow! Goodbye.